Bahadur and Jayarani. That's the Nepalese team. The Indian team, Rashid Niru Patak, so she's strong. 400 meters national champion. Mohammad Ashfaq and Olimba Steffi. Right of your picture frame is Nepal with Ram, Ramita, Som and Jairami. They will run the first 400 meters in the respective lanes. But two girls, Niru in the second runner and Olympia in the anchor.
Last runner will be the best.
So Valsamma did mention.
Sometimes it is happening, sir.
Sometimes, yes. So common lineup is the second fastest, as we all know, here in the 4x400 meters. The third fastest, the slowest, and then your fastest runner, the anchor, to finish off. In fact, the factor includes the first runner staying in the lane to get a good position. So they will use the same lane. The second runner you will watch very shortly after they finish the 400 meters, cutting into the line at the correct spot. And for the baton hands off, use a sideways. It's a bit early. The Sri Lankans are looking strong. So to the Indians. Rashid for India. Kalinga Kumarage for Sri Lanka.
Yes, he is strong.
Yes, the Sri Lankans are surely looking strong. Look at that advantage. That advantage, that Valsamma. What do you read of that?
They are leading, sir.
Yes. You will have Niru Patak a lot of work to do. Nagisha Ramanayake. She's the second of the Sri Lankans. The lead continues to be held out there. Niru Patak will have some work cut out for herself. She's a wonderful 400 meters runner.
Yeah, but it is catching it.
And there she now comes into the inside. The difference now very marginal. But the lead is going to be important. The Sri Lankan is looking strong, Valsamma.
Strong, yes.
The second fastest, of course, the first leg, as I said.
He's catching him.
Yes, Niru Patak there. Niru Patak. Yes, that's a wonderful. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. It's delirious.
Yes, come on. I think you should be correct.
Yes, both of them together. Mohammad Ashfaq for India and K. Kalahara for Sri Lanka. I don't think the other teams are anywhere close. The third runner that you're watching, the second leg, and must be able to merge into the one. And of course, the need to be confident and skilled at the merge. That was the second runner. The third leg, of course, the inside lane, the exchange with the fourth runner is going to be important. Typically in a wider area, neck to neck. Now the final, Olimba it is for India. Olimba Steffi and Sairi. Yes, that lead. Valsamma, the lead for the first time.
The spirit is there.
The spirit. Yes, the spirit is there. Olimba Steffi, the crowd is delirious. They know that it's going to be a tough one, but you like such events, isn't it? Who's got the stronger finish? Is it going to be Olimba Steffi? Is it going to be Sairi for Sri Lanka? The last home straight now at the 100. That's going to be close. That's going to be close. I think it's India. Yes, the spirit is there. Olimba will take it for India. And what a combination. What a combination. Rashid started, Niru Patak the second, Mohammad Ashfaq the third, and Olimba Steffi did the rest.
Olimba done very well, sir.
Where is she from? Any idea? Olimba Steffi. I think she's from Orissa, if my memory serves me right. Yes, 4x400 mixed relay. Amazing run here by the Sri Lankans. But what a run this was by all four of them.
Yes.
No, Rashid,
Very well. Yes.
Niru Pathak strengthened it. 320.13. The meet record here in the 4x400 mixed. I think it's being run for the first time. Yes, it's been run for the first time.
Correct, sir. First time introduced.
So India then win the gold, 320.13. Sri Lanka 320. Look at that.
Very close.
And Nepal settling. That's a good bronze for Nepal. So that's the difference between an individual run and the relay.